Well, the weather for the 4th of July definitely defied expectations, as a lot of the rain stayed to the west of I-95, and then in the afternoon, as it started to progress east, it weakened, and that led to a very delightful 4th of July for most of the area. So a big bust in terms of the predictions for doom and gloom for the 4th of July. Weather-wise, we ended up very, very lucky, and it was beautiful fireworks all around the city. Intellicast.com has your temperatures right now. We're going up to about 81 today, 80 to 81 degrees. We're in the 70s right now, and if we take a look at the satellite picture off of Intellicast.com, you see that there are some high clouds around and even a few areas of rainfall, but those are going to stay primarily to the south, it looks like, today. In fact, anything over the next 36 hours, rain-wise, should be either south of the area or west of the area. A lot of our time for the next 36 hours will be mainly dry. So we'll go through it. We'll stick with the Intellicast.com. Now what's happening at the surface is that a warm front is to our south, and that will push through. You can't rule out a shower or two tonight as that happens, especially west of the city, across inland zones. Might be a little bit too stable across the eastern parts of the area, including the city. And I wouldn't be surprised to see fog develop, because as warm and humid air starts to spread in overnight, we get the southerly flow to develop, and that in tandem with a relatively cool Atlantic water will give us opportunities for fog to develop. So as we go through tomorrow, we see that the warm front lifts through, and anything during the day that does pop up should be north and west of the city. And then waiting in the wings is a cold front, which should be in western New York State by tomorrow night, and that'll set the stage for Wednesday. That front will kind of slow down, and with it, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will develop in the afternoon and evening, and all areas will have the best chance for seeing rainfall. So the biggest day that you can try to avoid as far as rainfall is concerned would be Wednesday, because there'll be the most activity present, although during the summer it's so tough to tell where the rainfall is actually going to set up, but that would be your best bet as far as getting some rain in here on Wednesday into Wednesday night. Then after that, we switch to weather underground, and the chances for precipitation decrease, especially Thursday and Friday and into the weekend. Maybe by Sunday we start to see some showers and thunderstorms start to creep back in, but overall not too bad once we get past Wednesday. And notice there's no heat waves in sight. We have near to slightly above normal temperatures in the extended, and this is the water temperature profile in the Atlantic. We have a strong El Nino in the Pacific. We have cooler waters in the deep tropics, which is unfavorable for tropical development in the Caribbean. However, we have very warm water near the eastern seaboard, so that is something to look at as we head into the peak of hurricane season. The fact that all the warm water is centered near the eastern seaboard and in the Gulf.